Good afternoon, Mike. Utility crews have made significant progress restoring power to those who lost it during Tuesday's storm. Hundreds of customers are still out in areas north and west of Concord. At the height of the storm, tens of thousands of customers were without power. Crews said they have restored power to 50,000 customers in New Hampshire, a number that high in part because electricity in some places went back out after it was restored. New Hampshire Electric Co-op officials said that in some cases the lights had to be turned back on 3 or 4 times. Reporting live here outside the New Hampshire Electric Co-op, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Mike, back over to you.